Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we are going to go ahead and talk about one of the biggest banks in the world and in India is going to go ahead and stop its consumer operations. You heard it right. Citibank is going to stop its consumer operations. We will go ahead and understand which are the three stocks which will be benefited out of this and what are the targets that you can go ahead and consider for these stocks in the coming future. So without wasting much of a time, here we go. As you see on your screen, Citibank to exit bank consumer operations in India. The news is confirmed 2 days back, and due to which there is a big problems going on in the stock market. So which banks are going to get benefited, which segments are going to get benefited out of it? So basically what Citibank is trying to do is they are going to go ahead and sell their consumer operations to someone, and that someone can be from the segments of the bank that we will understand who are the top runners and the stocks that are going to get benefited. Just to tell you, Citibank business in India has about 2.9 million retail customers with about 1.2 million bank accounts. It has 2.2 million card accounts and around 6% of market share of retail cards is in the with Citibank. So which are the stocks that are going to get benefited out of this? Top 3 stocks that will get benefited out of this is on your screen right now. The first stock which will get benefited out of this is SBI Cards, which is the second top company in this card category in India. Yes, HDFC Bank is the first, but there are some issues with RBI due to which HDFC Bank is not sourcing new cards. So SBI card is going to get benefited out of this, and after the news, if you can see, it has moved an amazing point of 7.53%, which is spectacular. And we are also expecting it to go ahead and rise crazily because the top of the stock is at around 1100 and you're getting it at about 973, which is a very good price to start a normal SIP and accumulate on the stocks, because in long term this stock is going to be a big multi-bagger from my perspective. You'll also see a lot of new customers who are actually going towards Citibank coming to SBI cards, and getting new customers is obviously going to show very good in their Q1 results as well. So this stock for a long term after this news of Citibank exit is going to go ahead and be a multi-bagger with the results that we are going to go ahead and expect from this. Stock which will be getting benefited out of this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. As you know, Kotak Mahindra Bank is trying to go ahead and improve their market capital and move towards the competitive business of HDFC Bank. So looking into that aspect, the bank has been really aggressive and trying to get some mergers done. Citibank stopping their operations can be one of those news which can be really lucrative for Kotak Mahindra Bank, and they will be really interested in getting this deal done. Aside, you can see that Kotak Mahindra Bank is already trading at its support level, around its support level. So excluding the lockdown possibilities, the stock looks really good for a swing trade of about 2000 from this levels, and for a long term perspective it can give you at least 5x returns in the next 5 to 10 years if they get the Citibank deal as well. Even if not, Kotak Mahindra Bank is seriously one of the good banks and can be invested for long term. Number 3 on the list is HDFC Limited. 2574 is the current price. The stock is amazingly placed at this price, and after the news of Citibank it has actually moved a little up. Citibank was really aggressive when it came to home loans and other aspects, and with them stopping the operations now, HDFC, who's the top market leader in home loans, is going to surely get a lot of profits in this. So yes, the stock is a little expensive at the moment, but it can be bought at on all the dips. I see 2300 levels really being a very good support. You can buy this stock at this level. Fundamentals of this company is amazing. It's really good for long term aspects, and with this news of Citibank, this stock is seriously going to gain a lot. So let us know in the comment section what you feel about these three stocks, and if you think there is any other stock which will make it to the list after the Citibank operations stoppage. Do subscribe to our channel for more of such videos, and thank you so much for being a lovely audience.